The jury is still out, with deliberation continuing tomorrow morning. Former state lawmaker Aaron von Ehlinger is on trial facing 2 felony charges. A Statehouse intern accused von Ehlinger of raping her during the 2021 legislative session.
Our Andrew Bartline has been in court all week following this case. Today, von Ehlinger took the stand in his own defense before both sides gave their closing arguments.
Former state lawmaker Aaron von Ehlinger is facing 2 felony charges, rape and forcible penetration. Today, he took the stand and continues to deny any wrongdoing. He testified he went to dinner with Jane Doe and they ended the night at his apartment. Von Ehlinger says Jane Doe was a willing participant in all sexual acts that happened that night, where Jane Doe specifically told von Ehlinger she was uncomfortable with penetration. Von Ehlinger says he listened to her and they did not.
She never once gave me any indication that she was not wanting to participate in this.
Both attorneys made one last push for their case in closing arguments. The prosecution maintains Aaron von Ehlinger abused his position of power as a lawmaker to manipulate a 19-year-old intern. The prosecutor pressed von Ehlinger in cross-examination today on whether or not he believed lawmakers have power over interns at the Statehouse.
Is an intern higher or lower in the ranks than a representative?
It would be lower.
What about a volunteer? Higher or lower?
It would be lower.
The defense, however, says von Ehlinger's position as a lawmaker, and even von Ehlinger being nearly twice Jane Doe's age, does not inherently mean a sexual assault took place. The defense argues the prosecution's entire case is based on emotion and not evidence related to the night of the alleged assault, such as injuries.
You have no evidence of him doing anything to create what they want you to believe was this power differential.
DNA evidence links von Ehlinger to a DNA swab taken from Jane Doe's stomach. However, the defense says this does not prove anything. As Aaron von Ehlinger testified, he had a sexual encounter with Jane Doe, but all the acts were consensual. After hours of deliberation, the jury did not come to a verdict. We're expecting to hear a verdict tomorrow, as the courtroom will be back in process at around 9 a.m. Reporting from the Ada County Courthouse, Andrew Bartline, Idaho's News Channel 7.